Good day, sir. I am Rex Samuel Bacaresa from BSMT1 Antares. So for today's video, I'm gonna explain about calculation of cargo max loadable in compliance with IS code and International Load Line Convention. So in this example is MV Crystal E. The summer draft is 9.0 meters, tropical draft is 9.20 meters, speed of 10 knots, and then the average consumption is 160 metric tons a day. So to solve the non-cargo weight, you need the FO is equals to 1,500 metric tons, DO is 500 metric tons, FW is equals to 100 metric tons, and the constant is 80 metric tons, which is over 2,180 metric tons. So to solve for cargo weight, 9.20 displacement is equals to 24,000 metric tons, then minus it to the light ship is equals to 6,000 metric tons. Then the result is the dead weight, which is 18,000 metric tons. Next is we need to minus dead weight and non-cargo weight to get the cargo weight. So the dead weight is 18,000 metric tons. The non-cargo weight is 2,180 metric tons, which is over 15,820 metric tons. So that is the cargo weight. So that's all. Thank you.